Can I ask you, if you write 2 there, can you put next to it in brackets what the thing is? This is a nice idea because as a teacher then I can come back and have a look and see that the kid actually knew what they were talking about. They weren't just making up numbers. All right, the first pair I've thrown is 3 and 2. 3 and 2. This is nice because kids are seeing I've got ordered pairs. That's how you write them, in brackets. So you've stuck that somewhere on there. You've worked out what it is that you want it to be. Needless to say, the person who fills their rocket first has to call out something or other. Probably blast off would be appropriate. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one. 2 and 2. The next one, if you can't, of course, if we get to a place where you can't put one, you can't put one. That's the whole deal, isn't it? If you've stuck your other numbers in the places that are taken up, then you can't do anything. The next one is 4 and 3. The next one is 5 and 4. Now I'll slow down a bit here because for some people it start to get a bit challenging now. Once you've put your numbers in, you can't go. No, you just can't put it in for that one. Yeah? Once you put your number in, you can't take it out again, of course. Otherwise it wouldn't be fun. Okay, who's got 4 numbers in already? Oh, that's only one person. La la. Were you thinking strategically or just feeling lucky? That's good. Well done. Okay, the next one is 2 and 1. You got it? You think? Do you? Could you tell us what numbers you've got?
The last one I put down the bottom was a
A
half.
half?
2/3 next.
2/3, yeah. Sorry? 3/4, yeah.
Yeah, I could have done that.
2 over 2, 1.
1, which is 2 over 2, yep.
And
5 quarters, which is 1 1/4. Very good. Okay. Who got 4? Who got up to 4? Oh, a few. Who's only up to 3? Okay. And other people are still trying to work out how do you play the game. Yeah. Okay. What would kids learn by playing that game? Or what would I be able to see from kids playing that game? Because I don't know that you actually learn a lot. You have to know stuff. What would I be able to see as a teacher? Whether they could order changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Sorry? Yeah, the same one, mixed, yeah, and whether or not they could order fractions. Now, yeah.
They could also, do equivalents too, because if you get 2 the same, they could put both in the same.
Yeah, that's right, equivalence would work. How might you make this game easier?
I play a similar game, just not using fractions, just using 2 dice as a 2-digit number.
Yeah.
Don't do a rocket, we don't do a rocket, we just do it as a ladder.
Yeah.
We do it from 5 squares to 8 squares.
Yeah.
And we've generally played it as a group,
Yeah.
as an individual thing. And
Yeah.
we give ourselves 3 strikes.
Okay.
So we can't put a number in because we've filled up that
Yeah.
chance. Give ourselves a
Strike. Oh, and as soon as you've got 3 strikes, you're out anyway. Yeah, okay. Interesting you said you use a ladder and you went like that.
Well, I know.
Yeah. How many people's ladder, how many people climb the ladder this way? Yeah. Yeah. I do it this way. I'm only just using an opportune moment here that I think I've said it here before, in textbooks when they do number lines and ladders and things, they tend to put everything across the page and all they're doing is saving paper. This comes much more naturally for all of us. We all have an understanding that things get bigger, taller, larger as they go up, and so this can help kids kind of see things. I often think at schools, you know, you pay those people to come and paint snakes with numbers all over them out on the basketball court and everything. There's, I reckon, a great market out there for schools to paint numbers on steps. There's steps in most schools, and yet we don't 1, 2, 3, 4, or 27, 28, 29, 30 everywhere so that kids can see. And then on the other way, as they're going down, paint them downwards so the kids are actually learning incidentally all that stuff about numbers get higher and then they get lower.
I've seen a school that during their assembly on the ground they've painted the world map.
Ah.
So the kids are actually sitting on countries.
Oh, wow, that's great, isn't it?
It's fabulous.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. And harder, how might you make it harder? Made it easier by 2-digit numbers. The very easiest would be 1-digit numbers. Would 1-digit numbers work if I was playing with preps? Would they all get a different answer?
No, you mean just roll one die?
Yeah, and they had to put it on there?
Yeah, with prep it would.
Yeah, how could they get a different answer? Depending on where they put it, yeah. So you don't wipe yourself thinking, oh no, it couldn't work with just one, because if you roll the dice and you roll 6 and a kid puts it here, you know a whole lot of things about that kid straight away, don't you? Okay, what might you do for kids who are high flyers? They've played that game and you want to challenge them a bit more. What might you do? What might you set them? What task? Could, yeah, if you wanted them to keep playing. What else might you do? What sprang to my mind straight away when I was playing this? What did that lady think when you said that you thought you were thinking a bit strategically? What were you thinking?
I was thinking the possibilities of getting high numbers.
Yeah, and that for me would be the ideal task, to set those geniuses. You know, what are the possibilities when I throw this? How many possibilities are there even? I wonder. There's 6 possibilities only. Are there only 6 things I could throw? Are there?
No, with one.
600?
And then you can
40? How many possibilities? Yeah, that's right. You could reverse them as well. Yeah. How many possibilities are there for me throwing something equal to 1? There's a whole lot of questions that could be asked of those kids so that they're not just, randomly doing the rocket game.